Welcome to Bharatiya Defense Reporter. Continuing the close defense partnership, Russia has hoped India will soon sign agreement on Iglyas anti-air missile, while India has announced it will soon produce spare parts of Russian defense equipment under the Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative. India has signed an intergovernmental agreement with Russia to the manufacturing of spare parts of Russian equipment supplied to India. Indian defense forces have a substantial component of Russian military hardware, some estimates bill it around 70%. A Bangalore-based startup is part of the first Indo-US technology collaboration project in the aerospace sector and will work with the US Air Force Research Labs to develop future air-launched drones for the armed forces. Newspus Research and Technologies Pvt Ltd, a startup that lists itself as a 46-member team, is part of a project selected under the Indo-US Defense Technology and Trade Initiative DTT to develop air-launched unmanned aerial vehicles, it has learned. Isolated at the UN, Pakistan faked a speech to the Security Council, posting it on the website of its permanent mission pretending it was delivered, even though its ambassador did not speak at the session on terrorism. Pakistan was not on the list of speakers circulated for the virtual meeting held online on Monday, nor does its permanent representative Munir Akram figure on the video of the meeting. Unable to rally support for its campaign against India at the UN, Islamabad appears to have resorted to creating a false record for the Security Council. Sri Lanka will adopt an India-first approach as its new foreign policy plank and protect New Delhi's strategic security interests, the country's Foreign Secretary Jayannath Colombage has said as he sought to allay concerns amid China's growing presence in the island nation. Admiral Colombage became the first ever foreign secretary from a military background, when he was appointed by President Gotabaya Rajapaksa to head the foreign ministry on August 14. Welcome to Bharatiya Defense Reporter.